The undefeated William El Camarón Zepeda. Shakur Stevenson.
The highly anticipated fight between Shakur Stevenson of America and William Zepeda of Mexico is just hours away. This battle between two undefeated fighters will put the WBC World Lightweight title on the line. The fight will take place in New York, USA. A knockout artist against a technical boxer whose skills will prevail and claim the world championship. Comment your opinion and let's discuss it in the comment section. But before the highly anticipated match happens, let's take a look at some fight highlights from their boxing careers.
Is it or Shakur Stevenson? That's the mistake we make sometimes. We think the taller guy is the stronger guy. The taller guy is the bigger guy. It's not necessarily true.
Good accuracy from Shakur, and then he
behind the right jab.
1-2 back.
Always in position to land his power.
What does Miraldi have to do to turn this around as he eats some body shots? As Miraldi's balance is starting to go a little bit, Zepeda opening up.
Nice body work.
And here's the thing,
good combination. Nice
uppercuts.
But give credit.
Doing right here, he's just biting his time to land the left hook or throw his right hand, but the referee's not going to give him that chance.
He's turned his back. That means he wants.
Work the body and bag up and continue to bag up Stevenson.
Straight left hand to the body from Stevenson, and then a left hand up top.
Tufo Diaz is to fight middle in, not to give him that distance.
Both hands, but Shakur's a mistake and walk straight in. Shakur will have firepower for him just like that.
4 total punches right now to Diaz's. Good combination from Stevenson. From Diaz.
It was a grazing blow.
And left hand to the belt line there. Oh, that was a nice shot, that left hand. Maybe the most.
Right hand. As he throws it, leaving himself exposed.
To greater things to come.
Absolutely. And like I
Not
said,
even a speed bump, Timmy.
not yet.
Shakur Stevenson.
Right hand on the inside.
That we're used to seeing. He's not doing a lot that tells me he's trying to win. Just
caught him again.
And that's what Vienna's.
I just try and win, and the knockouts come, and there's a knockdown.
Very awkward upper body movement. I mean,
And they're going to call that a knockdown. In this round, and a point taken away from Zepeda. William Zepeda has been dropped to the canvas.
movement, it'll serve Zepeda right just to concentrate on the body and the chest, just like that right there.
And a body shot. Oh, and he hit him while he was down.
Just waiting to see what Joet is going to do. Joet Gonzalez in the clinch.
It's good because it's making him work. It's making him use more energy than he's...
Exactly. Look at the feet. Both guys closer.
Reach. He's got a 2-inch reach advantage over Shakur Stevenson.
Always making him fall short with his punches. And then he's there to counter.
It takes the fight like Shakur fights. The body.
That's exactly what Gonzalez has to do. At this moment right now while he's close, he got to let those hands go.
You caught him with some feeling yourself land.
Well, the momentum is, kind of shifting Gonzalez in his tracks. Anytime he steps, surprise Shakur Stevenson with something different.
You got a straight back, doesn't make a lot of mistakes.
Look at the outside control. Look at his foot placement.
There it is.
Straight left to the body. Feeding for a reason.
Floyd Mayweather, Sugar Ray Leonard. Well, it showed tonight.
He definitely showed tonight.
Of a warrior, he just did not.
From Brick City, Shakur Stevenson.
Guys that were supposed to give you, as Steve Kidd would say, that professional resistance city. But the trainer has a gym in Culiacan, and they get better sparring there. I'd like to see more body work from Zepeda. We know he can go upstairs, but chop the body.
So Monaco does not look that great already, although he did land a counter punch there.
You've already felt someone. First
left hand, and back goes Rico. The ropes kept him up, and here comes Zepeda full bore. Bell ringing, or did I just get my bell rung? Still against the ropes again. That's not where he wants to be. His corner yet.
Something up on the line.
Up top. He's mixing his punches. To his credit, though, Rico has
This is his moment.
His first trip to New York. He's a hard-working pro. Damage here in round number 1 from SHAKUR Stevenson, who backs him into that blue corner. Round number 2 here between landing 23 of 67 punches thrown. Goes to the body, places a right hand there. Tries.
It's just a matter of time before he finishes Mendoza.
Good combination there. It included the headshot. Mendoza. That area. So the last couple of days of training, you could smell the ash in the air.
Catches everything with the gloves. Hitting gloves is going to take its toll as well.
It looks really good.
Every punch is hard. He turns all those knuckles.
It would serve him some good to not just punch it.
69 inches. Yes, he's back against the ropes. What is he doing here, Sergio? Finally showing some fire with those punches, but it's it off.
I think Diaz is going to get downstairs. And that's not normally the case of Diaz. He loves digging down to the rib cage.
Another cut on.
You can bet every coming into the Kings in this division. Anyway, William Zepeda is only getting better and better.
You think that's... Look at him go again. Leave no doubt.
Razor sharp qualities. It was a really good win that. Chance in there as long as he's with him and body shot. Never tasted a loss. Backed on what a week it's been, but here comes SHAKUR. Lightweight, plenty of time left. But Stevenson had him down. Right time.
Y aquí está el camarón, conecta duro el camarón con un derechazo y repite con la izquierda. Se confía aquí Oces, tira golpes fuertes pero buenos. Qué primer episodio, Daniel, qué primer round. Ahí está la respuesta del mexicano, tratando de desquitarse para lograr la victoria por la vía del knockout del de Venezuela también. Corto, ahí está distancia media, distancia larga, aquí Zepeda. Pero cuando está castigado, el que recibe el castigo es doblemente peligroso, Dani, pero ya se fue a la lona, con otro golpe al hígado. El camarón gana el combate y se queda en la lona.